Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the movies from Fandango at home. Now if you want to download the movies from Fandango at home but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to download the movies from Fandango at home, which has currently changed its name to VUDU. So you may simply open the App Store and you just need to install the app known as Fandango at home. So it has been converted at VUDU. So you may simply click on it, and to download the movie you just need to install the app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. So if you are already logged into your account, you just need to click on the option of my movies or library. So you just need to find the purchase or the rented movie which are available in the option of my movies. So from there you just need to tap on the movie which you want to download, or also you'll see the option of download. So click on it and it will be only available for movie or mobile or the tablet device. So click on it, and from there you just need to select the video quality. So you may also select the option of SD, or you may also select the option of SD. That is up to you. So select the option and you just need to click on the option of download, and you'll be able to download the movies from Fandango at home. So that's it. That's how you can install the movie from Fandango at home. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.